K, K, K.
Welcome to Ken's Kids channel.
Letter K. K, K, K. K, 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 K. Uppercase K and lowercase k. Mommy letter K and baby letter K. Let's write the letter K. Now we begin with the mommy letter K. Let's make a standing line. Start at the top and straight down to the bottom blue line. Now let's make two slant lines. Let's start at the top. Slant down left to the middle red line and slant down right to the bottom blue line. Now let's make the baby letter K. Let's make a standing line. Start at the top and straight down to the bottom blue line. Now let's make two short slant lines. Let's start on the middle red line. Slant down left and slant down right. Good job! What is the sound of letter K? K, K, K. K, K, K. Now your turn. Good job! Let's make the letter K sound. K, K, K. Say K, K, K. Amazing!
Thank you so much for learning with us.
Check out in the description box below for the link of each lesson.
Have a great day!
Bye!